At Mindical, we have created a SaaS-based B2B readiness platform. What it does is it helps companies to enable their customer-facing teams to be much more productive. It allows them to be on task and on message first time and every time they are interacting with their customers, and in turn help them improve their brand as well as revenue. So we actually started the company in India, but since the inception, we were very clear that it has to be a global company. And one of my co-founders was actually a US citizen, and he had moved to India with the intention that we'll come back and set up the organization in the United States. So close to 2013 to 2014, once the product market fit was figured out, we started moving back to United States. So first, one of my co-founder moved, then we were able to move a couple of people, and then we hired a set of, the basic 4 or 5 people on sales, marketing, the product and support still being done from India. And that's how we just got started and got the company kicked off in US in 2015. Now over a period of last, the 4 or 5 years, we have now good presence. Like we have around close to 100 people in the United States and close to 250 people in India. We faced a lot of challenges when we were trying to move from India to United States. So although legally and all the setup was good and we had the ideas that we'll always do the company in United States. So it was a lot of challenges. So which were, some of these were tactical, like the issues of law and legal and setup and all those kind of things. And then the second set of challenges were finding your first wins, finding the trust. How can people connect with you because you are coming from a completely different geography? So there are a lot of those scaling up challenges. They're still there. The challenges keep moving on to the next level. So now the whole idea is how do you attract next level of leaders or employees to join you because you're not that well known. And there are cultural differences and how you set up things, how you hire people, how do you motivate. So there are a lot of interesting challenges. So thankfully we have come a long way, but still at every stage there are different challenges which you have to keep solving. I'm really excited and honored to be part of US ISPF journey. The vision that everyone is bringing together on how we can really help the next generation of companies, both globally in India and United States, how they can come together. How can they achieve this global scale with minimum disruptions? With this forum where we have access to more than 300 global leaders, as well as access to policymakers, as well as the access to mentoring, I'm sure that we should be able to contribute and share our experiences and journey and help other people who are moving or going to onboard in that journey. And hopefully in the return, we will also learn and get to learn from these people and the networks that are being created. So it will be a mutually beneficial journey, and I really look forward to this journey ahead with all other people.